Hey guys, it's Amanda. It's another 2 minutes with Posh Home, and today we're going to talk about kitchen hood ducting. So there are two possible types of kitchen hood systems that you could use for your home. The first type is residential appropriate hoods, the type that you see in a common household. This is what it typically looks like, and what this does is that once you start cooking, it will absorb all that airborne grease, combustion products, your smoke, your fuels, the heat and the steam, and it will filter within the system, recirculating it back out to the kitchen. The second type is commercial hood, the ones that you usually see in restaurants, service kitchens, and your favorite Korean barbecue place. How the ventilation system works is that the ducts will absorb all that nasty stuff that we talked about earlier, filter it from the air, and it's evacuated from the room to the outdoors. Now, of course, a lot of home chefs who enjoy heavy cooking would prefer the commercial type of hoods because it will stink a little less in the house, and it also lowers the risk of a fire should anything happen. However, here in Singapore, there is this residential restriction that does not permit a typical commercial type of hood system. We still want to create a better culinary experience for our clients, but we don't want to break any rules. So our solution is to create a ducting system for the hood that is similar to the commercial type hoods, except ours does not violate any of those residential restrictions because the ducting system that we create stays within the walls. So that way, when you do your heavy cooking, you can just open up the windows and evacuate the cleaner air outdoors. That is it for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to do something similar to your kitchen, let us know at Posh Home and we will get one of our experts to you. Until then, we'll see you in the next video. Bye!